Hey guys, so welcome to this next YouTube video. In this video I'm going to give you a drill to improve the strike and the quality of strike when you're putting. Let's get into the video. So striking the ball out of the centre of the club face is very important. If we strike it out of the toe, it's going to deflect to the right. If we strike it out of the heel, it's going to deflect to the left for a right-handed player. Not only that, if we strike out of the toe or the heel, then it's also going to take power out of the putt because the centre of mass is nowhere near the toe or the heel, so there's far less power and far less sting by them points of the club face. So with that in mind, we obviously don't want to be toe striking it or heel striking it, okay, that's pretty obvious. But the thing which gets most people is we don't want to be striking high or low of the putter face, okay, we want to make sure that we're striking right out of the centre of the face. As again, the same rules apply. If we strike it at the bottom of the putter face, then it's going to come out pretty dead. If we strike it out quite high off the face, it's also going to come out pretty dead. As much as we don't want to strike it out of the toe or the heel, we also don't want to strike it high off the face or low off the face, as this can cause speed control issues. Because when we strike it too high or too low on the face, the launch is going to be off, which is then going to affect the spin, which is then going to affect your distance control. If your bottom strike causes you to launch the ball too much in the air, then that's going to again send the ball bouncing. When the ball's bouncing, it's going to spend less time rolling, which is then going to take some sting out of the putt. Same rules apply. If we strike it quite high off the face, the same thing can happen. And I feel like one of the most common causes of a poor strike when putting is players striking it quite high off the face, okay, instead of striking it more down the centre. So I'm going to show you a drill to really improve that. And all you need for this drill is one coin. Here I've got a 1p coin, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it down right in front of me. Once your 1p coin is down on the floor, I need you to get a ball, and I need you to place the ball just in front of the 1p coin, okay? Let's say I'm putting this way, so I've got the coin just behind the ball, okay? From there, what I want you to do is set the putter up so it's sitting on the coin. Okay, you need to make sure that the centre of the putter, so you can use the line on the putter, that's got to line up to the centre of the coin and the centre of the ball. Now what this is going to allow you to see is when you come into impact, you want to try and deliver that alignment tool right over the centre of the coin. As if I come into impact and I'm toe striking it, then that's obviously going to mean the toe is coming over the coin. If I'm coming into impact and I'm heel striking it, that's obviously going to mean that the heel's coming over the coin. So when we come into the ball, we've got to make sure that the centre of the putter is running over the coin. That's then going to stop us from toe striking it or heel striking it. From there, how this is going to really improve the strike is this is going to allow us to strike it from right in the middle. Okay, because if we're someone that comes into the ball and we strike it quite high off the face, then the bottom of the putter is going to be quite low to the ground. So it's going to look something like this, where we strike the coin first. Okay, this is because we struck the ball quite high off the face. That then means the putter is quite low down to the ground, which is then going to cause us to hit the coin. So what we need to do is we need to set the putter on the coin, and we need to make sure that not only do we bring the putter back into impact so the centre of the putter is over the centre of the coin, we need to make sure that we're not touching the coin, as this is going to allow us to strike it out of the centre of the face. Because if we're keeping that same distance from the coin and we're not brushing the coin, that's going to mean that the putter is a nice distance from the ground, which means it's going to allow us to strike the centre of the club face at the centre of the ball. We can do that consistently, then our speed's going to be on point. Because if we strike it out of the centre, the ball's only going to be taking a little jump, and then it's going to be getting rolling as quick as possible. That's then going to allow for the nice smooth rolls and not them bobbly rolls, which is going to make speed control far easier. So give that drill a go, really easy to do. All you need is a coin and a ball. Place it down on the green and try to improve your toe and heel strikes, try and prevent them, and also try and prevent how high off the face you're striking the ball. If you would like some more drills like these to help with other parts of your putting, then drop a suggestion in the comment section below and I will definitely get back to you and I'll think of a drill to combat that part of the putting game. If you can like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video.